his white pig's pink butt.
Is that your girlfriend?
He's rubbing her.
Oh yeah, she's like right there. Right there, Adam. Sierra feels left out. How many... I guess I shouldn't ask that on camera. Yeah, how many does a pig have?
Let me see if I can get her to
12, 14, somewhere in there.
Roll over. Roll over. She does like to be rubbed.
Oh.
She's like a dog.
1, 2, 3, 4, 14.
Oh my.
That is so cute.
And she's laying on my boot too.
Rubber, Sierra.
Give her some loving, Sierra.
Get down there and scratch her. She's like her belly scratched.
She definitely likes that.
Sometimes during the show we can actually like lay our heads on our pigs and sleep in the pig with sleep
In the pen?
with-
Yeah,
should
but they're
come to
about
the show
3
this year.
times bigger.
We're
than
gonna
our
try
normal.
to. Is it in March?
March 5th.
And then we'll go camping.
Heck, y'all could go